Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, classes and real-time interview questions and answers.
Part 39. What is Unpivot Transformation in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is Unpivot Transformation in SSIS. The Unpivot Transformation in SSIS is used to convert columns into rows during ETL, that is extract, transform and loading process. It is the exact opposite of the pivot transformation. What Unpivot Transformation does? It converts columns into rows, normalizes wide Excel like data into a relational format, useful for loading into SQL tables that expect row-based structures. Key properties in Unpivot Transformation are input columns, the columns you want to convert into rows. Pivot key column, it is output column that stores former column names. And pivot value column, it is an output column that stores values. Set key identifies unique row groups and where it is used. It is used in converting monthly columns into month rows, transforming survey result columns into row format, normalizing Excel sheets for warehouse loading, and converting cross-tab reports back into raw transactional rows. Let us see Unpivot Transformation practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS and I am trying to create a package. Here I am trying to rename it as Unpivot. Unpivot Transformation. Before to do that, we'll see the data which is available for Unpivot Transformation. This is exact opposite to the pivot data. Here, once we convert the data from by using pivot transform, the data would be like this. Now we are just converting back to pivot thing. This is the unpivot data. The data to be unpivoted. Here the product is A and B, and these are the Jan, Feb and up to December. These are the different columns. That means 12, 13 columns, and this is the amount which is available for each product at each month level. Let us convert this data into like amount, product and month name columns by using SSIS package. Before to do that, we'll see the SQL script as well. This is the SQL script I have already. The table has been created. This is the data, and once we select the data, this is the data which is in the format that we have seen. To convert this data into unpivot thing, there is a SQL query. This is the query that select product, month name, amount from sales monthly, unpivot. This is the like bunch of statement that I'll be sharing this script as well in the description. You can use it. Let us see how this thing is going to be. This is how product name, month name and amount. This is how this data is going to be converted by using unpivot functionality in SQL. The same thing we are trying to do by using SSIS package now. Now I'm going to take data flow task. Here our data is in Excel right now. I'm taking Excel source. Here I'm taking Excel source. I'm just trying to configure the Excel source here. I'm browsing the file. This unpivot file which is having data. And here I'm taking the sheet. Let us preview the data. This is the data which is available. And now I'm trying to take the Unpivot Transformation to unpivot the data. I'm connecting Excel source to the Unpivot. Here I'm selecting all the month names. See, all the month names I'm selecting here. And here I'm creating a new column called amount. I'm giving it to all the like destination columns. I'm just copy pasting all these things because this column is going to get the amount data, and here the pivot key is month name. This would be the pivot key value, and pivot key value column name would be month name, and you will be having product and amount and month name. These are three columns which are going to be created. Now I'm just trying to load this data into SQL Server database. For that, I'm taking OLEDB destination component. I'm trying to configure the OLEDB destination component. Here I'm taking a connection which is already established. We have seen these things, how to establish connections many times in our classes. Now I'm taking table view fast load for the fast loading. And now here I'm trying to create a table by using the component new option, that is unpivot underscore trg. This is the table, and here the columns are going to be month name, amount and product name are the columns which are going to be created in the destination. I'm trying to map the columns. Mapping is also fine. Now I'm trying to run the package. The package ran fine. See, from Excel it got 2 rows, and into the target we got 24 rows. That means now the columns have been changed. We'll see the data in the target. This is the SQL script, and the whole script is for SQL. To work the same concept by using SQL statements, we can use this script. Otherwise, we are loading the Excel file to the target. Here I'm selecting the target table that we have created by using OLEDB destination component. Select star from table that we have created is unpivot underscore trg is the table name. See, this is how the data has been converted by taking month name, amount and product. In this way, in SSIS also, by using unpivot transformation, we can unpivot the data. I think you got some idea about pivot and unpivot transformations from last and this training sessions. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.